How to recover Riot Games account. So if you want to recover your account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar search for Riot Games account, and here on the first search you will have accounts.riotgames.com. Click on that, and before proceeding make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have card sign in option on the bottom side. Click on that, and then you will have four options. So if you forgot your password, you can click on this, or if you forgot your username, then you can click on this. So click on any one of them, and then you have to enter your email address. So enter your email address, and then after entering your email address you can click on this arrow, and Riot Games will send you a code through that email that you have just entered. And after that, you can take that code and enter it here, and you can verify your account. And after verifying your account, you can change your username and your password. And after changing that, you can recover your Riot Games account. So that's it, guys. That's how you recover. And if you have any questions, then feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.